everyone, my name is Mama Hearts Makeup and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I achieve this glitter cut crease kind of thing, and let's get started. I went ahead and did one of the eyes off camera. As you can see, I just find it's easier that way. I can kind of work out the kinks before I try it on the second lid. So yeah, it's a voiceover for this one. I think I was getting ready for work at this particular time, so it's just faster if I just go in and worry about the voiceover afterwards. So I'm using the Naked Heat palette for this. As you can see, I will probably add in the names of the shades later on because I forgot to do that right now. Over that outer V color, I'm adding that kind of orangey color. I really like this color. Just kind of warm up the area there. And going in with a bit of concealer on a flat brush, I'm going to carve out an area and add this Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow in China Rose right onto the top of that concealer. And the concealer really helps the shadow adhere to the lid really well. Now going in with this as a more of a transition shade, just kind of blending out the darker colors from before and feathering it up onto the lid. Now going in with this lighter color for the under the brow bone highlight. Just kind of smoothing it on with my finger per usual. Not just a brown eyeliner, you can use whatever eyeliner. It's more of a shadow stick than an eyeliner, but that's okay. Just kind of smoking it out a little bit with an angled brush here before I go over the top of that with that same shadow that I used in the outer V, that dark brown color, and then smoking it out with the transition shade just so it kind of blends nicely. And now taking just a black kohl liner, I'm going to smoke out the waterline. It's not the waterline, the lash line. I want to smoke out the lash line with this kohl pencil, and then using a flat brush, just kind of really blending that in. I wanted a bit of a wing, but not too harsh, like a liquid liner can do, so I'm using a kohl pencil instead, and I really like this pencil. It's dark, but it doesn't transfer onto the lid, so that is good, because sometimes I have that problem with the kohl liners. They just kind of travel up the lid, but this one does not. Now I'm taking this, it's a duo shadow thing, but I'm just using the glitter liner portion, and I'm going over the top of the crease, more in the center, from the inner corner to the center. And I'm making sure to place that above the actual natural crease, so when I open my eyes it doesn't disappear. And you really want that liner to dry before you go on to your next step. I'm using this loose pigment powder to highlight the inner corner. Super bright. I probably sprayed it with MAC Fix Plus before I showed you, but yeah, I went ahead and added the lashes. Go ahead and put on your favorite lashes, and I'm going to add this, it's a long wearing lip gloss to most of my lip, and I do like these it's a L'Oreal Infallible lip gloss. I forget the name of the color, but I'll add that also. Leaving the center bare for this Buxom gloss in Sophia for the center. I just like the way it makes my lips look a bit fuller when I do it this way. And that is it. It looks a lot more difficult than it actually is. You can switch up the colors depending on the palette you want to use and the glitter liner you want to use, and that's it. I'm ready to go to work. I was probably running late per usual. My daughter was helping me out with the filming, and there she is walking past me. Thank you so much for visiting me today. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.